All right, so now that I've pretty much knocked on the unit cost estimating method, let's go ahead and talk briefly about what it is good for and how you can use it. But first, let me go and preface all this with, if you are a new contractor, a struggling contractor, you're looking to expand your company, you're having difficulty figuring out an estimate, what you're going to make, what you should charge, things like that, head over to my YouTube channel. Take a moment now, help me out, give me a subscribe. You can contact me directly through YouTube. You can go to my Facebook page. You can send me a message on Messenger. I'm pretty much easy to get a hold of, and I can kind of help you work through some of your problems. I like helping people. With that said, see this picture here on this book here? It's a bathroom demo. If you've done projects like these before, you pretty much know what goes into it, what you're going to encounter. Okay, so most important when you're starting out, or even if you're in business, you have to know your numbers, and not just your financial ones, but also your productivity numbers. So a book like this is good to the point where on each phase, each item, each detail you're going to be talking about, what you'll do is you'll record yourself or your crew, and you'll write down how much you got done per task. You'll start building your own set of productivity values of what you can do, your company. How long did it take you to demo this bathroom, right? Square footage, how many hours, problems, things like that you had. And then you'll start slowly building your own database over time. So let's say you encounter on your project something that you've never done before or dealt with, something that just kind of came up, or it's part of the scope of work that you're going to be doing, but you don't really have personal numbers to use on that. What you can do is consult a resource like this, and it'll give you whatever typical item you're looking at, whether it's demo or installation of a load-bearing wall or an LVL or things like that. You can get a productivity. And obviously these numbers are averages based on companies that actually know what they're doing hands-on. They've done it before, which means they're streamlined and very effective at it. So you can use that as a reference, but you're going to have to increase that amount of time, or the labor time, or decrease the productivity to coincide with your abilities. You never want to estimate using other people's numbers and productivities. That's a sure way to lose, because you're not going to be able to perform to that. But it gets you in the ballpark of what it should cost. So I'm going to end this segment here. Again, go to the YouTube channel, subscribe. I'm going to do a more in-detailed work through on an estimate through the other program and database that I've built over the years. And I'll show you the columns of the data in which you're going to need to track to be profitable.